Are you tired of seeing your hard work stolen and used without permission? The DMCA Takedown process might be your saving grace. The Digital Millennium Copyright Act, or DMCA, is a powerful tool enacted in 1998 to protect your intellectual property online. Imagine swiftly removing unauthorized content that damages your reputation and causes financial loss. That's the power of a DMCA takedown. The process starts with identifying the infringing content. This could be anything from images to articles that violate your copyright. Next, gather all necessary information, including proof of ownership and the location of the infringing content. Drafting a DMCA takedown notice is crucial. It must include specific details to be valid and effective. Send your notice to the designated agent of the website hosting the infringing content. Most sites have this information in their terms of service. Follow up to ensure the content is removed. If not, you may need to escalate to legal action. Be aware of limitations like jurisdictional issues and the risk of false claims. Infringers can also file counter notices, complicating the process. Stay proactive by monitoring your content regularly, using legal services, and educating yourself about copyright laws. Protect your work and maintain control over your content.